Welcome to our first practical class on how to use Canva. In this class, we'll learn how to find design templates. This is the website. Like I explained in the other class, you can do all these things. So depending on what you want to do. First, let's start with social media. Under social media, we'll work on Instagram. So you see, for Instagram, we have Instagram post. You see the size. We have Instagram reel. See the size. See that they are different. Instagram story, different. Instagram post, different. Instagram ad, story ad, post. So, like I said, it's not just knowing how to design. You must know how to design the right thing for the right purpose. If someone wants to do Facebook post is different from Facebook cover. If someone is looking for a Facebook cover for their Facebook pages, it is different. For Facebook ads, for event covers, they have different sizes. So you make sure you do not pick the wrong one. If not, the design will not look great. For LinkedIn, the same thing. If someone is looking for something to post on LinkedIn, you must get the accurate size for everything. Understand? This is for YouTube. For YouTube, we have thumbnail. Like if you're uploading a video, they will ask you to add a thumbnail. Like if you post a video, what should be showing when someone search for the video? That's what thumbnail is. Like all this, what should be showing when someone search for your video on YouTube? This is also a thumbnail. So this is for YouTube, for video, for YouTube shorts, short reels. So everything has its own size. So make sure you select the perfect size, the correct size. Meanwhile, Instagram and WhatsApp use similar sizes, so you can use them. Use this one for WhatsApp. Okay, so let's start with Instagram post. Okay. So now I've selected the size. Now I need to look for the templates that I want to use. This is design, like I explained. It contains all the templates that have been uploaded to Canva. You search for them, the particular one they're looking for. So let's say I'm looking for something about announcements. Okay, I've searched for it before. So you just type it. This is what I've searched for before, so it's already here. Let me click on it. Announcement. So you see different announcements that you can take. Now recognize this sign, this symbol. Like I said, you must pay before you can use anything on Canva that has this symbol on it. If you don't pay, just skip it. Don't click it. If you click it and you design with it, at the end of the day, before you download that design, they will tell you to pay for it. So no need to stress yourself. So you look for whatever. People are hiring and they want you to do something for them. We are open all these announcements. You can get one of them and do your design. Or Valentine. You see? You can get anything. But now, since you selected Instagram post, all the sizes they are bringing are aligned with this your workspace. So that is why it's important you know how to select it. You know how to select or find what you are looking for, so that you don't pick the wrong sizes. Let's say I click on this one. You see, it is here. So I can now edit on this one. Edit on it. Change what I want to change. Remove what I want to remove. And then add what I want to add. That is all. And like I explained in the other class, this is to add a new page. So I click on it and it adds a new page. If I want to add something here, a design here, I have to click it before I click on the design. If not, for instance, I've opened a new page, right? But I mistakenly clicked this one instead of this one. I've clicked here before I go on to click a design. You see? So instead of adding it here, it goes on and override the one that was here. It replaced the other one that was here automatically. So imagine if I was working on something before and then I did this mistake, it will override everything I've done before. Although thank God there is Ctrl Z. So you do Ctrl Z and it goes back. So be careful about that. I also said you can use this one to duplicate this page. Duplicate, like do this and then see it gave me a duplicate of this other page. This is for locking. If I lock this page, I cannot edit anything on it. There's nothing I can do that can edit anything on it. I cannot delete, I cannot do anything. It is locked. I cannot edit it. I open it, then I can edit on it. So this is one way to get design templates. I want to show you the other method, getting design templates. Let's go back to the beginning. So here I can search for the template that I'm looking for. Announcement. So you see, it brings up different designs about announcements. But the danger about this other method for searching of templates is that they will bring in different sizes. They'll bring in different sizes. Inside there we have posts for Facebook, posts for YouTube, posts for Instagram with different sizes. So if what your customer is looking for is for Instagram post and you end up designing something, for instance, now look at this one now. Your customer is looking for Facebook post and you end up designing something for Instagram, or your customer is looking for something to post on Instagram and you went on to design something that can be posted on Facebook. The person will post it, but it will not look nice anymore. So I don't like this one, although you see more templates than the other one, but this one now, it will be random. They'll be showing you different sizes. So if you don't know how sizes, if you can't measure with eyesight, you'll be selecting the wrong template for the wrong job. So I prefer the first method of selecting templates. So this is how to look for design templates. I bet you have learned. So next time now, we'll look at how to upload pictures and then how to remove backgrounds. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.